Now, interim relief has been given to former Telangana Minister KTR. The High Court has granted KTR protection from all kinds of arrests till the 30th of December in the Anti-Corruption Bureau investigation against him in a Formula E racing deal. But there is more trouble that is brewing for the BRS leader. It is the agency Enforcement Directorate that has now filed a case against him in the Formula E irregularities. He in fact has also been booked under the same sections of the PMLA as Telangana's Anti-Corruption Bureau. KTR had earlier said that the case is false and is politically motivated against him. He also said that he has all the legal means at his disposal and he will fight it till the very end. The Congress has questioned why KTR is evading investigation if he has done nothing wrong.
This is probably one of the biggest, silliest cases and a big joke, because Formula E is an internationally reputed organization, and we have made painstaking efforts to convince them to come to India and Hyderabad. So this government, unfortunately the Congress government, neither has a clue about motorsports nor has a clue to promote Hyderabad, Telangana as a hub for electric vehicles and sustainable mobility, which was the motive. Now, unfortunately, this government does not have common sense. We have challenged them. We said, please come for a discussion in the State Assembly where an ongoing session is happening. Neither are they ready to do that, nor are they ready to face us anywhere.
Till day before, he was only telling, I'm prepared for any type of investigation. Even I'm prepared to go jail also. Today when the state government initiated, now his true colors are coming out. His true colors are coming out. Today he is rushing to the High Court for a squash in the lunch motion. He is getting it removed, I'm telling. About Formula E car race, in the first phase when it was conducted here in February 23, the sponsor, he himself went back as he sustained loss. Again, what is the hurry made the then Municipal Administration Minister KTR to rush up to withdraw the 56 crores of money floating the foreign exchange rules?
जो ई रेसिंग के लिए विदाउट प्रोसीजर फॉलो करके केटीआर ने पिछले गवर्नमेंट में जो गलती किया और जो इंटरनेशनल ट्रांजैक्शन इन्वॉल्व है 100% उस पर इंक्वायरी करेंगे. कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी उसका जांच कर रही है. अगर हकीकत में आप गलत नहीं किया तो बार बार मैं जेल जाना पड़ता. मैं जेल जा रहा हूँ. अगर मैं जेल गए तो आप पूरा तेलंगाना में माहौल ठीक नहीं रहना, सब लोग बाहर आके लड़ना. इस तरीके से बातें जो केटीआर कर रही है, इससे वेरी क्लियरली ये पता चलता 100% इसमें केटीआर के खुद के बेनिफिट के लिए ये ई रेसिंग का स्कैम हुआ.